Happy hour, everyone. I'm Dave, the basement bartender, and today we're gonna make a quick and easy orgeat. Orgeat is an almond syrup that is traditionally found in tiki drinks, as well as many other fantastic cocktails, especially those that are influenced by Japanese flavors. The problem with orgeat is the good ones can be pretty expensive, and the inexpensive ones aren't very good. Traditional recipes to make it yourself can be very time consuming, as they involve soaking, roasting, and milking the almonds to get the flavor that you need extracted for the syrup. I stumbled upon a really great hack, originally published by Jamie Boudreau, where we can use a high-quality store-bought almond milk, enhance the flavors with a little bit of almond extract, and have a delicious orgeat in a matter of minutes. But we can sit here and talk about it, or we can get this thing started. Let's go. On a stovetop, heat 4 cups of sugar and 2 cups of almond milk over medium-high heat. I prefer measuring out my ingredients for syrups by weight, so since 2 cups of almond milk weighs 445 grams, I'll double that and add 890 grams of sugar. This is the same 2-to-1 ratio that you would use for a rich syrup. We're just gonna substitute the water for our almond milk. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, which should take about 4 minutes or so, we'll kill the heat and add 2 tablespoons of almond extract, 1/3 cup of cognac, 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water, and mix to combine. Let's give it a little bit of a taste. While you don't need very much of the orange blossom water, I would strongly encourage you not to skip this ingredient. It is worth the hunt. Without it, you've got an almond syrup. With it, you've got a beautiful floral orgeat. You may not find it on their first stop, but it's pretty readily available. And if you absolutely can't find it, rose water is a little bit more easy to find, and that it would be an excellent substitute. Let's bottle this up. Since we added cognac, or you could also use a neutral rum or vodka, this will store in a sealed bottle in the fridge for about a month. If you prefer to skip the booze edition, it will last about 2 weeks in the fridge. We'll use this orgeat in this week's thrice rice cocktail, which I'll add to the end of this video as soon as it publishes. In the meantime, let's go ahead and try a Japanese cocktail. Mix 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of orgeat, and 2 ounces of cognac. Add a dash of angostura bitters and shake to combine. Cheers. A homemade orgeat in just a matter of minutes makes this cocktail sing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm still very new into the YouTube world, and this will greatly help me out. Tell me in the comments below what next cocktail or cocktail element you'd like to see made. Have a fantastic week, and we'll see you on the next one. It is really, really good.